contacted us because they have a very common problem for a lot of people here in Pittsburgh. They have a large formal living room that never gets used, and they had a small-ish kitchen that they wanted to make bigger. So where I'm standing right now, there was actually a wall. Like where you guys are, there was a dining room. Behind me was the kitchen, so we wanted to make it bigger. We took down the wall between the kitchen and dining to make it all kitchen, which is awesome. And then we made that formal living room that never got used into a huge, gorgeous dining room. Another problem we see a lot in homes is dark stained trim. Now, when we redo the kitchen, a lot of times we'll paint the trim white, but in this case, it was like, where do we stop? It kind of goes everywhere. So they trusted us in the process and let us do the trim white, and we actually kind of did almost the whole first floor, and I think they're really happy with the results. One other thing that we had to deal with was a window. We didn't want to take out the windows because they were kind of new, and then when you take out a window, you got to brick it up out there. So we decided to keep the window and make a really useful spot. So we made this gorgeous banquette. The kids actually have drawers. They can shove their backpacks in there. So it's really functional, it's really beautiful, and they got to keep their window. One of the challenges we faced in this project was that once we took the wall down between the kitchen and the dining room, it kind of turned into a long, narrow space. So to make it feel not so long and narrow, we added some pantry cabinets that are shallow, but still offer tons of storage. And then the island at that end, it doesn't have any seating or an overhang because there wasn't room for it. So we put all of the seating at this end of the island with this gorgeous stained butcher block top. So in this end of the kitchen, we got to make it really functional with adding some bar cabinetry. With the floating shelves and the glass, it's just a really cool feature of this space. Makes a lot of sense here. And the formal living room that never got used before now has turned into this absolutely gorgeous dining room. The homeowners are really happy with it. One of my favorite features of this project is actually this wine rack. And it's my favorite because it was actually the homeowner's idea. It was really cool to collaborate with them on his vision, our guys being able to put it together, and I think it turned out really awesome. Thanks for watching this final reveal of this kitchen renovation that we did here in the South Hills, and keep watching, we've got a lot more to come.